unavoidable circumstances, he is out of the country on official capacity. And so he asked me to read his speech, which I am just about to do. So I will read it. Good morning, esteemed members of the media. I am delighted to welcome you to this media briefing ahead of the much anticipated launch of the Grand Fish Fiesta, a premier signature event that promises to be a highlight on Kisumu's tourism, cultural and economic calendar. The Grand Fish Fiesta, to be held at the sports ground in Kisumu, is a 3-day extravaganza celebrating our city's rich heritage, particularly centered around Lake Victoria, our most significant resource. As we gather here at the sports ground today, we embark on a journey of festivities, enlightenment, and community spirit over the next 3 days, starting Thursday 25th to Saturday 27th April 2024. This fiesta is not just a mere event. It is a testament to our collective commitment to environmental stewardship, cultural preservation, and economic empowerment. Throughout the fiesta, we will engage in thought-provoking plenary discussions that explore the fish value chain, tourism and economic development, and Lake Victoria, a resource, highlighting the importance of this industry in our region's economic landscape. From traditional performances to contemporary interpretations, our artists and performers will captivate your hearts and minds. And let us not forget the existing activities that await us, from the adrenaline-pumping traditional boat race to the crowning of Mr. and Miss Tourism, Mr. and Miss Flex, Mr. and Miss Strong, celebrating the beauty, talent, and resilience of our youth. The Luo Traditional Wrestling Championships will showcase the strength, skill, and spirit of sportsmanship that define us as a community. As we marvel at the exhibition of the legendary snake Omieri, let us remember the ancient tales and wisdom it embodies, connecting us to our folklore and environmental heritage. Omieri reminds us of the delicate balance between humans and nature, urging us to be mindful stewards of our surroundings.
Haya na ripoti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mweke kangi ga gwikira ndugathi haraya